Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Grade 5, subject English grammar, topic homophones. Today we are going to learn about homophones. What are homophones? What are the examples of homophones? How can we recognize homophones? All these things we are going to discuss today. So let's start with our topic homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Let's have a look on these examples. Male, male, meet, meet, one, one, pair, pair. Male, male. These words have the same sound but the spelling is different, even the meaning is different. Meet, meet. Here also the same thing. Sound is same, spelling and meaning is different. One, one. Sound is same, spelling and meaning is different. Pair, pair. Both the words have the same sound but again spelling and meaning is different. The words which have the same sound but have different meanings and spellings are called as homophones. Homophones. Homo means same and phone means sound. That's why it is called as homophones. Now let's play a game. Here you can see some words are given. We have to find out which words are homophones among these. So let's find out. No, no, here, here, pair, pair, and. These words are homophones. Whereas the words summer, rat, fun, rain, train, they are not homophones because the sound is not same, though they have different spelling and meaning, but the sound is not same. So that is why it is not considered as homophones. Here some homophones are given, even the sentences are also given. How we can use homophones to frame a sentence? Let's see. Bean, bean. Tom doesn't like green beans. I have never been to Japan. Bored, bored. After a while, I got bored and left. I'll write it up on the board. Blue, blue. She likes blue dresses. She blew onto her coffee to cool it down. So through these examples, we have seen how homophones can be used to frame sentences. Now let's revise what we have learned today. We have learned about homophones. Homophones are the words which have same sound but they have different meanings and different spellings. Homophones means same sound. So this is the one of the important feature of homophones to recognize the words. Thank you.